In grade 3, students are at the age of 7, 8 and 9, and this is the perfect time when their growth spurt starts. So this is the reason why they need to even understand that how are they growing tall, what is happening in their body. So there is something that is called a skeleton and the bones which is growing inside, and then they need to know about the skeletal system and what does the skeletal system do to their body.
We started learning about skeletal system by a hook activity. The activity's name was egg packaging. In egg packaging, we had to do is we had got some materials and we had to pack the eggs in a way that from the first floor, if we throw it from pressure, then the eggs doesn't have to break.
We are going to cover the whole box and not take newspaper.
Cover means on the outside.
I got these papers. I take some from my table.
And we are going to wrap the eggs with paper.
Okay.
So then it will not break.
Okay, that's your idea.
Through this activity, we understood that delicate organs need protection. After that, we went to a construction site which is near the school. So we went there to see that a framework of a house.
It is giving a proper frame to the body. What are these
This
rods?
is the skeleton of the building.
This is the skeleton of the building.
After that, we saw a video about the bones. We saw the names of the bones. We were recapping our skeletal system to know that have we learnt about the skeletal system. Ma'am was pausing and asking that about the bones, which is this bone, and we also got to know the strength of the bone.
Today I'm going to give you one more way to know more about the names of the bones. When I give you the books, you are all going to go through the books. You all can explore. Okay, this is this bone, this is this bone. Go through the books. I gave you all books. What did you all see in the books?
What are the names of the bones?
Okay. Okay. What are the names?
Joints in our whole body.
Which are the joints in your whole body. Okay. Why should I know about the names of the bones?
Where the names are placed in our body, and we have to know where we know the names, but we have to know where the bones placed in our body.
Why is that so?
Because like the doctor,
If tibia is here and
tibia is here and the line over here is wrong, then the doctor will give a wrong medicine.
Exactly.
After that, we went to Apollo Hospital, and in Apollo Hospital, we met Dr. Maulik Patwa. Dr. Maulik Patwa is an expert in bones, and he taught us about bones.
Most important, it gives us the shape and the framework, right? Someone is tall, someone is short, someone is fat. It depends upon the size and the shape of your skeleton, okay?
After that, we learned about fractures. There are many fractures which can hurt us. Understanding about fracture helped us, like in this age we are growing and our bones are also growing, so we need to know that the things which we don't need to do, like slide on our knee. So if we fall down, we can get a fracture. So in joints we did an activity, and in the activity ma'am put stakes in a certain place where our joints are, and she told certain things like
Like as if we do not have joints.
So it was very difficult for us, so that's why we came to know that joints are very important for us to walk, move or jump.
Once we completed the entire inquiry of the skeletal system, it was important for a teacher to again see whether the kids have understood. Each group chose a different idea to showcase their understandings. One group chose to come up with recipes, one group chose to come up with signs, one group chose to come up with models, one group wrote poems, one group made PowerPoint presentations, and one group came up with models of what they had learned. This was a great culmination where the understanding of the skeletal system was visible of each student.